areas that you will absolutely love. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You know that you need traffic, and if you want to truly make a financial killing from true online passive profits and get massive high converting traffic, and all without wasting money and time to get traffic, then SEO Domination is made for you. Plus, this is not a cheap WP plugin or some unsafe desktop app. It's a fully fledged cloud platform. You just log in inside the product and you're ready to go make a financial killing. So all you have to do is push a button and SEO Domination does the rest for you, getting you instant #1 rankings for yourself or your clients. And everything is automated, easy to follow and newbie friendly in this all-in-one sales generating software. Here's how easy it is for us to make money selling our own SEO services. Just take a look at what we bring in on a daily basis through our different accounts. Get instant access to SEO Domination. We know a thing or two about SEO. And with SEO Domination, our earnings and yours will be 10x this year. From Colin Jordan. Finally the perfect solution for free organic traffic with SEO. Let's face the truth, you already know that you should SEO optimize all of your website's content, your videos, pages and articles. It's been proven that SEO is the single best way to a passive income for years to come. Just think about it for a second here. Everyday people are searching for solutions to their problems on Google or YouTube and desperately click on whatever presents them with that quick fix. It's a virtual goldmine for us marketers because we get free reliable traffic without ever having to worry about paying for traffic and trying to break even. FB banning your account and the ability to promote offers. Losing money due to inefficient keywords. You see, with SEO, the huge amount of traffic you get is free, passive and reliable. Bottom line is this, no matter what you're doing, if you're not including SEO into your marketing, you're missing out on huge paydays and you're missing out on the easiest way to make money online. Heck, I bet you know and would love to get started with SEO, because you can see it works. Chances are you even tried SEO at some point but gave up. Or you're still trying to get free organic traffic, but you're not getting the results you've wanted and you are looking for a better solution. But you've been kept back by one huge barrier, the ridiculously complex and outdated tools that are supposed to get you good rankings in a simple and fast way. Regardless if you're just starting out or if you already have experience with SEO, we can all agree that if you're trying to follow the usual steps, it's hard. So by now, we've agreed on two things. 1. You want to use SEO in your business. 2. You need to use SEO in your business. And simply because it's proven that SEO traffic is reliable, free and converts even better than traditional paid cold traffic. Remember, visitors that end up to your site and videos are in need of a solution, so they buy yours. Yet, you feel paralyzed to take the plunge due to the apparent complexity of making it all work. Or you're already doing SEO but aren't making much money because there's never been an all-in-one solution that does it all for you yet. Imagine a new lightweight piece of technology that's so incredibly sophisticated yet intuitive and easy to use that allows you to benefit from the absolute best SEO feature that can get you #1 rankings with zero hassle. Something that allows you to get #1 rankings for your own sites and also sell those rankings and SEO services to local businesses for thousands. That's exactly what we've designed SEO Domination to do for you. So if you value your business, want to increase your bottom line and dominate your competition, with SEO Domination you get all the SEO done for you with one click, so you can enjoy free traffic for years to come.